Well, folks, after 4 weeks, 20 hours, and 7,275 individually painted and hand-placed screws, I'm done. My Pointillism Tauntaun from Empire Strikes Back is done. Each screw is hand-placed, and look at those beauties. I mean, up close, it doesn't look like anything. Look at that. They're just drywall screws. But when you step back, it is gorgeous. My item's for sale, so contact me if you're interested. Please like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you coming with me on this journey.